Good morning, everybody. This is Josh Ezell, Breakthrough Real Estate. Hope you're having a fantastic week. Today, we are going to continue our Numbers Are the Key to Success series, and we're going to talk about conversions. Now, depending on your niche, the conversion rates vary, okay? Now, no matter what, to kind of piggyback from yesterday, the national averages will give you a great benchmark for whatever it is you're doing, okay? So throw a couple examples out there. National averages for internet leads, about 3%, okay? So for every 100 leads you bring in, hopefully you're gonna get about 3 sales. Now, internet as in Facebook leads, the conversion rate is way lower, but you can get a lot more of them, right? Great. Now, open houses, let's just say 1 in 20. Okay, every 20 people you get to sign in should get at least 1 sale from that. Family, 5%, or leads, your database, about 5%. Farming, about 5%, depends on the neighborhood though. So there's a lot of benchmarks that you can base your business model off of, right? Now, the conversion rate is what makes the difference. And that's gonna boil down to your systems. What is your follow-up plan with your lead? If it's an open house, are you following up as needed to maximize your conversion rates? If you're spending money and time, either way, that's an investment. Are you gonna maximize the return on your investment? Now, what's great about it is the more you follow up and the better you follow up, the actual better service you provide for your clients, the better their experience is, and it's gonna be better all around. You're gonna get referrals. It's just win-win-win. So there's nothing to be lost by having an awesome plan in place for whatever your niche is. Let's maximize your conversions by having the best systems. If a person comes to your website, jump on them right away. Thank you so much for using my website. They come into your open house, provide value. Don't just jump on them, give me your information. No, hey, how's it going? Thank you so much for coming in. Here's a bottle of water. And go from there, build the rapport. Friends and family, be there in front of them. Be that go-to person. Be that big brand, Coca-Cola, whatever it is, Walmart, Chevy, in their world, be that go-to referral. It'll take your 5 sales to 10 sales per 100. It is amazing. If you focus on your conversions, you have to know the numbers up front that you're bringing in that you're gonna need in general. And then you've got to worry about converting those leads. And if you can maximize your conversions, you can take the same amount of investment as a struggling agent and make a fortune. I don't even want to talk about the investment and not following up. I think too many agents might fall into that category, unfortunately. So let's not even worry about that. Let's focus on average, benchmark, you, much, much greater. Have an awesome day, guys. But a conversion queen. All right. Today,